3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Bombs. Bellows.
Roof is closed.
The other one's not open yet.
Closed.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's closed.
Alright, phase 2.
Get his slag in place.
It's in place. Alright, get on the slag now. Primal now. Fire callers. Somebody get a slag in place, thank you.
I have one there.
One fire caller over there.
Get on the fire caller quickly.
Slag's going down.
I need a DPS on the fire caller, please. Alright, all DPS on the primal, now.
Did we just get a shield on him?
I don't.
Shield on.
Kill that primal.
Good.
It's dead.
Alright, kill the fire callers. Get a slag in place.
Moving.
They're down.
Alright. I need a slag in place.
I've got one on me. Just
They're
sitting
arcing.
One-
Arcing. There's one there.
Mine's on the stand.
Alright, get on the slag. Everybody on the slag now.
Fire caller.
Just get on the slag.
It's dead.
Alright,
Oh.
on the primal. All DPS on the primal. More deeps in the primal. Now. Burn.
Dead.
Alright, get on the fire callers. Get the slag in place.
Gonna drink.
I need a slag in place.
I got mine.
Roger that.
Fire colors. There's one left.
Slag is almost
It's
down
dead.
too.
Alright, get on the slag now.
It's dead.
All DPS on the primal. Now. Burn.
Dead.
Time warp. Kill all these ads. All of them. Fire
Sure.
callers.
Grab the boss drifter. I got it.
Got him.
Range, get in the back.
Pull
Force
them out
them
of the
when the ads are
shield.
dead.
Alright.
I'm going
Drifter,
down.
cool down.
What are you at? You have 2 stack? I'm taunting him at 3.
Yes. I
Got him. I got boss. Take as many ads as you can.
There's only one security guard up. That's it.
You guys need to tell me when to move forward, because I haven't done it.
I'll tell you.
Thank
I need
I'm down.
Drifter up. Range,
I'm
stack
up.
on me.
Pull them out of the shield. Get the ads
He's
out of
sitting-
the
Further
shield.
out. Further out. Out.
Yeah, this is bad.
Three stacks taunt.
Range, stack on triangle.
Ads are down.
Range, stack on triangle.
Pull them forward a little bit. Back the boss.
Tanks
Taunting.
need more mitigation.
I'm down.
I need Drifter up.
There's your red.
I'm up.
Already raised them.
Pull the boss forward. Pull him more. Pull him some more.
I got a drink in 10 seconds.
Pull the boss some more.
Taunt when you can.
I got 4 stacks, so I'm gonna throw vigilance on you when you get.
Just do it.
Ironbar comes already.
Pull the boss up some more.
Tempered never
Range
drops,
stack
so
on
if you're
me.
talking about heat.
Daunting.
Pull the boss some
down.
more.
No reses. Everybody stay alive.
Pull him some more.
Range, not get ahead of me.
I got
Range, move.
13
Pull him some
seconds
more.
to taunt.
Shield walls up.
Four
Yeah.
seconds. He's mine. Please.
Range, I need you to burn.
Pull him some more.
Range stack on me.
All heals.
Any healer cooldowns available? Do it now.
Dead.
Yes!
Good job, y'all.